Hey, you guys. In today's video, we're going to be doing a lot of self-care, hair upkeep, and trying out my new shower head. Listen, this shower was when I tell y'all I really enjoyed this shower. Oh my geez, and these are all the products that I'm using. So I'm just going in, starting off with getting my body wetting my hair because I will be washing my hair. And I'm just going to be using this Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner because it was time, you guys. When my head gets to itching, it irritates me. So washing my hair is kind of therapeutic for me because like when my scalp is irritated, it just makes my whole day go off. I don't know how to explain it, but when I tell y'all, it had my head feeling so doggone good. And let's just get into the elephant in the room. Do y'all see my new shower head? I've been hollering since I opened the thing. When I tell y'all, it felt like I had paid somebody to get my hair shampoo. You know how when you go to the salon and they do that little thing with the head thing? That's how I felt, y'all. I'm telling you, this year I'm taking my self-care to the next level. And I want you guys to know that you can do the same thing. I took a little bit of money and invested in a shower head and the new organization shelves. And you probably saw that video before this one, but just a little bit goes a long ways, you guys. Do something every day for yourself. I promise you, it'll help you to be the best version of yourself. And then you can show up for those you love because your cup is full. If your cup is empty, I promise you, you will become resentful because you feel like everybody is taking from you, but nobody's giving to you. You got to learn how to give to yourself first. It's not selfish to put you first. It's actually self-full, you guys. Take some time out today. I don't care if it's a longer shower than you usually do, a bubble bath. Do something to nourish your soul. I promise you, you'll feel a whole lot better. 2023 is going to be your year where you take better care of yourself. Even if that's getting up a little early so you can spend more time with yourself. I promise you guys, I'm an early bird and don't know what time this was because I got up at 4:30. But y'all, to be in there one with myself, with my thoughts, this is where I pray. I speak affirmations over my life because I'm telling you, if you don't set the tone for your day, somebody else will. When I tell you all this doggone shower head feels so good. And then I'm going in with my Victoria's Secret Tease body scrub. When I tell y'all this stuff smells so freaking good. But fun fact, the funny thing about it is when I first picked it up in the store, I thought it was body polish. Your girl be excited, too excited. And then, like I said, I'm doing this scrub because I got to shave, you guys. I hate to feel hair on my legs. So I'm telling you, I be in the shower having a good old time. That's my me time, y'all. It doesn't matter what you do today. Comment below in the comments and let me know what you gonna do for self-care. Y'all gonna get sick of me this year talking about self-care, but I want us to take better care of ourselves. And can y'all just get into my shower head? Ah! Oh my goodness, what I tell y'all, this felt so good. This shower felt like I had went to a spa and paid some extra money to have a 60-minute spa session. But the only thing is, I get to have this every other day. And then I'm going in with my feminine wash. Y'all know my favorite wash. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash the conditioner out my hair. And I'm going to do a hair mask this morning too. Any little thing, you guys, self-care. And don't forget them ears, y'all. But yeah, any little thing you can do for yourself today, whether that's a power nap, a bubble bath, fix your favorite sandwich. Y'all know I'm goofy, but I'm just playing in the suds. Y'all know I've been loving this Bath and Body Works vanilla body scrub. Y'all know your girl love vanilla, but I just never really paid any attention to the vanilla body scents in Bath and Body Works. But go figure, I've been missing out. But yeah, I really enjoyed this shower, you guys. I'm gonna leave all the links to the products below so you guys can enjoy them as much as I did. Oh my goodness, this shower, oh my goodness. I love taking showers, but it's just something about this one was just, oh my Jesus, like really? So I'm gonna go ahead and dry off, and make sure you pat yourself, ladies. Don't scrub and rub too hard on your skin. Be gentle with yourself. You only get one body, honey. Take good care of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get on out the shower because I gotta detangle this hair after I do my body care. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And y'all know my favorite deodorant is Dove. Nothing strange here. Just gonna go ahead and put on my deodorant. And then y'all, why y'all didn't tell me this stuff right here, the EOS vanilla cashmere smells so freaking good. I'm gonna mix that a little bit with my vitamin E oil because y'all know I need some glistening. It made my skin so doggone soft, y'all. Y'all go try this. Y'all know I don't steer you wrong. If I find something good, you know I'm gonna always share with you. And this little baby right here, I still can't get over. I got the 3.4 ounces for 50% off. When I tell y'all this stuff smells so doggone good, everywhere I went for the last 3 days, people been stopping me, telling me, you smell so good. What do you got on? But little bitty stuff like that makes my day, you guys. So I'm just finishing up brushing my teeth. And don't forget to scrape that tongue, you guys. I promise you, that's where majority of your breath, the bad breath is. Now I'm just going in with my favorite facial cleanser, the La Roche-Posay. And I'm just going in, and make sure you wash your face at least a good minute or so. So I'm trying to wash my face and do that, and go ahead and finish up with my skincare routine. I'm trying out my new face jelly mask. Since I got first I'm gonna get this hair off my face first. That's what we gonna do, because y'all know I have to do this about 2 or 3 times a week. Shout out to all my hairy girls out there, because y'all know the struggle is real. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this hair off my face. Then I'm gonna do my new jelly mask that I got the other day. If you seen my last haul, you saw. And when I tell y'all this stuff was cold, but yeah, I'm gonna put this on. It says let it stay on 10 to 15 minutes. So while I'm detangling my hair, kill 2 birds in 1 stone. So yeah, a little self-care. I'm telling you, you don't have to break the bank to do a little self-care for yourself. Remember my self-care jar? Pick something once a week that you're gonna do for yourself. And I'm talking about me as well, because y'all know when I get off work, my mind be on the bed. So I gotta force myself to go out and do something, because over the years I've become an introvert. I love being at home. It used to be I love being all out and everything, and I still like to go out, but it's like I more so enjoy my own company. I love being at home. Like, I'm a homebody. I think I've always been a homebody, but in the last couple of years, I've more so been like an introvert, like to myself. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and oil my scalp a little bit with my favorite hair oil. When I tell y'all my scalp feels so freaking good, it was almost like it was saying, thank you, LaTersa, for taking care of me. When I tell y'all I love to use this detangling brush is a lifesaver. And now I'm gonna go ahead and wash this jelly mask off and go ahead on about my day and get ready for my work day ahead of me. When I tell y'all it's got my face feeling so soft, and I'm gonna go in just on the little areas where I got the little spots at. I'm trying this discoloration serum. So I'll keep you guys posted on how I like it. So I got to use it a little while to give y'all my honest review on it. But Yeah, so this is my first time using it. So, and then I'm going in with the vitamin C serum, brightening serum. And it smells so good. It smells like oranges. I love my vitamin C. And it has collagen in it too. So y'all know I'm loving that. And always make sure you get your neck, you guys. Yeah. I think today is going to be an absolute amazing day. I'm wishing all of you an amazing day. And I'm going to go ahead and finish it up with my moisturizer. But do something for yourself today. I want you guys to understand that self-care is all about the little things. It's the little things that you can do on a daily basis to take better care of yourself. And I've started incorporating drinking warm lemon water. I usually drink lemon water, but drinking warm lemon water when I first get up in the morning, it has been doing wonders. And I can see my skin starting to glow even more because, you know, lemon is good for detoxifying your skin, pulling out the impurities, all that good stuff. So cheers to you guys on having an amazing day today. I'm going to go ahead and warm this up. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. When I tell y'all this is so good to my soul, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel and follow me for more old school ways to take better care of yourself. I love you guys.